more than I'm going to need. But basically, this is what we got to do. Right, so those holes now, the cocktail sticking. No, that should be good. I'm going to put 2 in because there's a bit of movement on there. So now, I mark there, because I can see that's where the bridge is. There. Those 2 marks, and then if I draw a line from there to there, that is where the bridge is. Those corners have got to come off. As you've just seen, these corners got to come off. Perfect. Basically what I've got to do now is I've got to stick them 3 securely there, like that. People use blue tack, so I'm going to have to get some blue tack. Right, cut to me with some blue tack. Literally 2 seconds later, I was going to get some blue tack, but I realised I got some of this double-sided stuff here, so that's probably going to work. So let's get a bit of that off. And take it from there. Dry run before I stick any glue on them, but that's basically what you do. Also, let me take my watch off. Right, so now what you use, I'm not sure if there's a cover on these. No, I'm not scraping anything off. Right, so this is it. If all else fails, try whales. Right, so how is the camera view? Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick a bit of glue on each one. It's got to be like a gel. So here we go. And then I just hold it at the top if you want. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put you guys back inside before I take this off. Hopefully Let's pull this one. Let's see. Boom. That's how you do it, boy. Right, I'm going to let that dry for a little 5 minutes before I do anything else. Make sure it's secure. Change my battery on my GoPro. I'll be back now. Right, I'm back. I had to get a new soldering iron because my one's just ain't cutting it. Here. And I got this from Tool Station. Hopefully it's a bit better. A bit. Let me put a sleeve over. Then we heat shrink. There we go. Turn it on the phone now. Right. And then we push that back in there. Put in a couple of screws. Right, essentially that is it. I'm just going to glue the volume controller. Hopefully there's not a lot of messy cables. Right, so now I just got to take this bit off, and then because that's the volume, glue it on the inside. Right, let's string it back up and then test it. Right, let's tune it in and see how it sounds. Right, now just to do a little ending for the video. I'm not sure how well this is going to be edited from how I've done it. So it's all done, it's all tuned up. A little Peace out. See you soon.